Top 10. Best Boat Deck Chairs. Whether you're fishing or simply having a gathering your friends, it's a great way to pass the time. Number 10. SeaTeak Windrift Folding 6L. To go with its wooden construction, it has stainless steel legs making it very durable. The back can recline to 6 different positions making it very comfortable, and it can fold away making storage very easy. The wood is solid teak making it look great. Made from solid teak. Reclines into 6 positions. Stainless steel legs. Number 9. SeaLux Folding Deck Chair, patios, pools and many other uses but has been primarily made for use on a boat deck. It has a strong aluminum frame which will be very sturdy. Its rubber feet will prevent any slipping while on the deck and the foam cushioned armrests, seat and back will be able to give you a high level of comfort. Safety locking bar. Aluminum tube frame. High level of comfort. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Boat Deck Chairs or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. FORMA Marine Deck Chair, from FORMA Marine, and one that is comfortable and hard wearing. It is high quality to resist harsh sea water and its fabric will be resistant to any mold. It has beautiful and stylish armrests, with legs that are designed to prevent skidding on the boat deck but also won't mark it either. High quality materials. Teak armrests. Anti-skid and anti-marking legs. Number 7. Garelick EEz-In Designer Series, full deck chair which provides a high amount of comfort. Then this could be the perfect choice. The chair is padded but also folds away making it easy to stow. It has an aluminum frame with varnished hardwood arms making it a quality product. This is a simple chair which ticks all the boxes when it comes to your boat. Easy to stow. Hardwood arms. Comfortable padding. Number 6. FORMA Marine High Back Deck, which will look great on your boat. It's made from high-quality materials which can withstand the harsh seawater. It has anti-skid legs which won't mark the boat deck and the fabric is resistant to mold. This is a well-designed deck chair but also one that comes with plenty of style as well. Resistant to mold. High-quality construction. Stylish design. Number 5. Leader Accessories Portable. This is a heavily padded deck chair from Leader Accessories, which will provide the ultimate in sitting comfort while you're out there on the water. Its vinyl is treated to prevent mildew. Their aluminum frame means that they can fold down easily, while still be a sturdy chair which is going to last you for a long time. High level of comfort. Treated vinyl. Sturdy aluminum frame. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Boat Deck Chairs or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Wise Folding Deck Chair. Comes with a high level of padding, which will be able to give you that extra comfort. It has an injection molded plastic seat frame and its foam padding is resistant to mildew and UV rays. It features 8 different legs which are all made out of anodized aluminum for a high level of stability. High compression foam padding. UV and mildew resistant. 8 aluminum legs. Number 3. Leader Accessories New Plastic Shell. This is a great alternative to the traditional deck chair as this is a padded seat which can be placed anywhere. This is a lot cheaper than other options which can make it a very attractive choice. The plastic molded shell is very durable and the seat can stand up to the harsh marine environment. Deck chair alternative. Compression foam padding. Heavy-duty construction. Number 2. Bonnlo Infinity Zero Gravity. Stand out from the competition. It has a solid construction with its reinforced tubing but it's still light enough to move around. The fabric is also strong and resistant to the marine environment. It has a detachable head pillow as well as a resin holder tray which are useful features. Zero gravity design. Solid construction. A range of useful features. Number 1. KingCamp Heavy Duty. It packs away to a small size and can easily be stowed away but has a heavy-duty steel frame. It has a reinforced mesh back and bottom which is sturdy and breathable. The armrests are padded for extra comfort and has a side table with a cup holder for your food and drinks. Compact foldable size. Heavy-duty steel frame. Side table and cup holder. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Boat Deck Chairs or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.